The Taste of Annandale, now in its fourth year, is a community-wide event intended to increase the feeling of community, sense of community, by bringing together the diverse, different segments of the community, ethnic, socioeconomic, and bring them together to form a better, more cohesive community.
This started as a collaboration between some area high school students, neighborhood community services, and the police department. We wanted to bring everybody together and really highlight and focus on the diverse aspects of the Annandale community and give everybody a chance to get together. Not only our longtime residents, but also people who are new to the community. People talk about Fairfax County being a great place to live, work, and play. I live, work, and play in Annandale. So I'm very proud of this event. This is my neighborhood, this is my community, and I'm really, really proud that myself and my officers can be here to support this.
It does grow every year. We have more people who learn about it. So then we have more restaurants who want to participate. We have more booths that people who want to be able to show off either their organization or their business. And then we get more and more people coming from farther away because they hear about the Taste of Annandale and how much fun it is.
This has grown from a relatively small little event, and today great crowd, lots of things to do, and lots of things to taste. Annandale is a wonderful treasure in Fairfax County. I'm really glad that we have a Taste of Annandale where people have the opportunity to sample what is here. And events like this make Fairfax County feel like a small town.
Oh, we got Hispanic cuisine, we got all kinds of Asian cuisines, and everything in between. So it's a great celebration of who we are as a community.